Hi folks, Cap here. I thought I'd just share what I've been up to today. This is a double poster board. So two poster boards joined together down the center. And I think I called this one connected. Do come in a bit closer so that you can see the colors on this. And yeah, just something that was really enjoyable to do today. So this is one of 4 pieces that I did, and I'm going to pause now and pop up the others. So these are all poster board pieces and done with spray paint, and I haven't used any brushes on this at all, just my regular lids for stencils. And let's just go in a bit closer onto this one so you can see the color detail on there a bit better. I think I called this one the 4 cousins. You can see the colors on that. Yeah, so on 55 by 400 centimeter poster board and done in spray paint. So I'll pause now and get the next one up. This one I was able to get a nice turquoisey color. I used lightish blue together with yellow, which you can see on here, which has given me a bit of a green, some nice texture onto that. Use a bag for creating texture. You can see the color, subtle red in there, some blue. Some nice shade into the moon with the stars in the background there. Going up into the further reaches of this part of space. And I can't remember what I called this one, but it's on my page with the title. There's something about blues. Right, and for the last one. And this is the final one for today that I had quite a lot of fun in doing the center galaxy nebula, whatever you want to call it. Got in some nice pink and blue with the dark side of the planet here, lighter side. And let's just go in a bit. You can look at the colors inside this. The black dots being flying debris, maybe some asteroids or something to that effect. Particularly like the texture that I've achieved here on this red planet. Got in some subtle red into that blue area, that center spiral galaxy. I think I had quite a bit of fun with this one. Just trying out 1 or 2 different ways of doing things. So hope you enjoyed the quick vid from me, Cappy. Have an awesome day, evening, afternoon, morning, wherever you are. Keep well, stay safe. Until the next time. Cheers.